looking for a mirror, and I think I found.
This is the turkey and butternut squash chili with cheddar and sour cream. It's got cilantro, tomatoes, and shallots for garnish. And this smells delicious. I tasted a little bit in the pan. It's really good. It's got the butternut squash in there, and then the turkey, and then just regular tomato, pureed tomatoes. I will do a cook with me on this. It is a home chef meal, but you can definitely make it on your own. So I will do a little cook with me. It's pretty similar to what this picture looks like, isn't it? It looks so good. I will let you know how it tastes. Stuff is so good. Wow. They hit this right on the spot. Delicious. Just left and we're kind of laughing at Miley. She's swished in there, her ears sticking out.
This is what it looks like from my angle. And there's Luna trying to get over here probably.
We're dropping off Miley and then we're picking up Grandma. So it's going to be crowded for the first day. Grandma's traveling with us for the first 8 hours. Miley, you're so cute. I'm going to miss you, Miley. I won't miss your wagging tail though. I have to be honest.
That's a loud truck.
That is a loud truck. It's snowing, sort of.
It's drizzling.
Drizzling. It's really cold though.
Could be snow.
What 29 degrees. Whew. I'm glad we're heading south. Planned on leaving at 7 o'clock. And we left at 6:44. And it's 7 right now. Awesome. Look at that cute baby. A couple hours into our trip. We already stopped twice. 3 times. 10 o'clock. Aww. Luna found a new place to lay. She loves her Nick. Some string cheese for a snack, and breakfast was an egg bacon burrito, and it was 4 smart points, 4 smart points, 5 smart points, and this is 1 plus my Starbucks quad espresso for 2. We're in Illinois. I think I missed the sign though. 10:51. Going to the wayside. Oh, is this the one with the bridge? It's a long...
Oh, this isn't that one.
Oh, this isn't. Okay. Still a long exit for a wayside. That way.
Do you need to pee?
Hope you're talking to the dog.
I'm talking to you. She was looking at me like
I might as well go too.
Yeah.
As long as we're here.
Exactly. So
This thing decided to crawl behind my back. Trying to hide Luna. I gotta get her out of here. I don't want her to hurt herself. Yeah, she decided to crawl behind my back. So
Luna's hiding behind your back from the semis.
Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry, Luna. They're so noisy, aren't they? Had a tuna sandwich. I forgot to film it, but we made it here in the car with this bread. Some grapes, and then I had an hard-boiled egg, and I have a Luna. Be hitting Indiana soon. At least we got blue skies today. Instead of rain when we left, it was pouring out. Well, not pouring, it was drizzling. It was a snowy drizzle.
And that's...
we just hit Indiana. There is the rest area. We stopped at Wendy's and got a grilled chicken sandwich. It's pretty good. 7 points, plus we put 1 slice of Velveeta on there from our trunk. So just the sandwich we had. No fries, nothing else. Just the sandwich. And then I had a bag of chips from Subway because we stopped to get Nick some chips. So I had a 4-point bag of chips.
It's going to be welcome right here above the bug.
Welcome to Ohio. We have made it to Ohio, and it is...
Welcome to Ohio.
9:39 p.m. We're going to stop here on exit 1 at a hotel and go to sleep. We're so tired. Luna's cuddling with Nick. It's so cute. Corey's going to check us in at the hotel. There he goes. I'm just scoping out the place. What you think, Luna? What do you think? Pretty nice room. We got 2 queen-size beds. We got a desk. We're only staying overnight a few hours, so it's not like it's that big of a deal. She's not so sure of this place. The guys had to go down and they forgot something in the car. I like those big pillows right there, though. Pretty cute. This is the Best Western at Harrison, Ohio, I think. Not bad. The beds have like a pillow top on them, so it's pretty comfy. Nick's gonna try to... Well, hello, Luna. I'm editing my video here, and Nick is trying to... What are you trying to do?
Download some games or update them.
Update games.
Trying to connect to the internet right now.
And Corey's doing something. I don't know. After we get my video done, though, I'm going to call it a night and head to bed. Look like a crazy fool, but we are tired. We're gonna go to bed. Wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to share this if you think anybody may like this channel. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes.